Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the market analysis for 23rd December 2022. On the weekly, we can see that price was very bullish. It pushed up. However, it came to this $24 supply and demand level and started to reject it. On the daily, we can see that after this large price movement, price came back to fill this imbalance on the daily. If we check on this previous day here, the imbalance was from here to here, and you see price traded exactly to that low, filled the imbalance, went to the last bearish candlestick, which also coincided with the 50% of the fibs and started rejecting. On the 4-hour, we can see that after this consolidation up here, price retraced to these levels and has formed a medium probability engulfing followed by a high probability one. So it came to this level of supply and demand, rejected it, and is now trading higher. In the hourly, we can see that price is still in a bearish move. Structure is still not broken on the hourly, but as you can see, price traded below here to take out orders. So if structure is broken on the hourly, price has to trade above here. It has wicked above, but it hasn't closed above. Maybe with the next candlestick it will close above, but as of now it still hasn't broken structure on the hourly. If we go to the 15-minute, you can see that these are the structure points here. So price is traded above here. So on the 15-minute, structure has been broken. Price is traded below this level to take out orders, and we will put our fibs. You can see we can wait for price to trade below here so that we can take a buy, because there is sell side liquidity. And then let's draw out our Asian range up to here. You see that low coincides with the Asian range low, and let's draw the midpoint there. So expect price to trade below here and then now shoot up. Yesterday I made a mistake. I got impatient. I entered before the market cleared out this sell side liquidity, but we all make mistakes, so that's just part of the process. And also here, my analysis was correct. The way I was saying on, I think it's 21st December, where we said price would come down to this area of sell side liquidity. I could have capitalized at the short, but then, we live, we learn. So continue getting better as you guys get better with me. On gold, if we start on the weekly, we can see that price had pushed up, rejected this area, tried to push up again. However, it rejected this area again. The 1830 level has been rejected twice. So there's a lot of bearish pressure there. You can even see how price traded just to this top, then dropped with a massive candlestick, filling in this daily imbalance from here to here. This whole area was filled in and traded to the high of this previous down close candlestick. You can see how it closed above that, and this one opened above that. So it's a very important area. When we go to the 4-hour, you can see that this 4-hour imbalance was completely filled, and this imbalance was also filled, and price came down to the 1785 level exactly and rejected it from there. When we go to the hourly, we can see that price yesterday was very bearish, but was just preparing for the bullish move, because on the hour, structure is still maintained as bullish at this point in time. Go to the 15 minutes. Draw out our Asian range. I'm still looking for a reason to buy. So I'd wait for price to trade below here and go. Yeah, a lot of my setups I wait for price to first take out orders before it goes in that direction. And I'll post that on my how-to videos, which are coming soon. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and watch the markets with me. Peace.